Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. As you can probably see in the title already, we're going to be installing the VG shark fin antenna. There's nothing wrong with the stock antenna. I just really wasn't feeling the Twizzler look. They didn't really suit my taste, so I went with something a little bit more modern. Brought the G8 into the latter half of the 2010s, I should say. On the website, you have your choice of basically any color that the G8s came in, and I chose to go with black. Could have gone with red, but I think the black on red will look really good in my opinion. Just breaks it up a little bit. Anything to make it stand out. Alright, so once you got it nice and clean, what you want to do is just climb up here, grab the antenna, and just screw it out. That's all you gotta do. Screws and washer, put it in. Let's see what would be the right way. Like this sounds right. I guess I need to secure it down first. That it's too small. It's a good thing they sent two, because we would have been out of luck. Let's get this washer back. Okay. No. Finger tighten it first so it doesn't get away from me. Now pull this bad boy out. Now I'm gonna turn on the radio in the car to see if I should tighten it or untighten it at this point. Can't really show you me doing that because copyright music. I don't want to mute the video, so I'll tell you if you even have to do that. We'll see.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
I don't think it needs to be adjusted. It sounds fine. Doesn't sound any better than before, but it doesn't sound worse, which is the important part. And we'll just take off the adhesive here. Yeah, it's still a little bit off. We'll get it. Yep, it looks straight here. I guess this will be the best way to determine if it looks straight or not. Now we'll glue it down. Apply lots of pressure. Get my footing right. Apply lots of pressure on here. We don't want this flying off at any time. That feels like it's on there. And there we go. Yeah, it didn't take almost any time. And it's a much better aesthetic look in my opinion. Car's a little dirty right now, but you guys get the idea. And we'll use that same paint code to paint this, maybe the lower valence. Now that it's on, I'm very happy on how it came out. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if NASA had some type of involvement in this project. Just goes to show that aerodynamics is important. Sorry it's taking so long in between uploads. I understand some of you are probably stuck at home and haven't been out for a couple months. And we all know why we're stuck at home, because if we go out, this is what's waiting for us. Trying to turn these out as quickly as I can. Trust me, I get to it whenever I have any free time. It's just I like tinker with it for a little minute, and then I just like play Call of Duty, and then I forget. But they're coming. Only way to see the next one is to like, subscribe, or like Google me periodically, I guess. Until then, see you later.